the Linde 346 three-wheel forklift. Comes in two capacities, 3,500 pounds and 4,000 pounds. This specific model has a drive-in overhead guard rack for driving rack and has a 3-stage mast. Comes with standard 42-inch forks, standard size LVR. This particular model also has a fourth valve, allowing customers to attach clamps, baler clamps, rotators, anything they need. On the operator console, we have fully adjustable steering columns, a fully adjustable control armrest, and a fully suspension adjustable seat. So the seat suspension has a handle that pulls out and allows the operators to adjust based on their weight. The goal is to have the arrow right in the middle based on particular operator's weight. In this case, I'm right leveled and I won't be able to feel any of the bumps or vibrations. So this particular model comes with fingertip controls, allowing operators to do more in less time. You have your standard lift, lower, tilt, side shift, and an open fourth valve, allowing clients to put attachments such as fork positioners, clamps, and so forth. You have fingertip control for drive and forward or drive and reverse. The parking brake lever is located to the right side of the steer. To enable the parking brake, you simply pull up. To disengage the parking brake, you pull up and push the button at the top and bring the lever back down. This option comes with two lights. The first light would be the blue safety light in the rear. There are options for rear and front. The second light option would be work light options, allowing operators to see a little bit better around dark areas. The 346 has regenerative power braking. This particular model will allow me to brake by simply releasing the throttle. I will instantly feel the brakes. The brakes over here on this side are more for emergencies.